The warden led a prisoner down the hallway to his doom, and I stood up to say goodbye like all the rest. And I heard him tell the warden just before he reached my cell, let my guitar playing friend do my request. Let him sing me back home with a song I used to hear, and make my old memories come alive, and take me away and turn back the years, and sing me back home before I die. I recall a Sunday morning when a choir came in from town and got up to sing a few old gospel songs. Then I heard him tell the singers, there's a song my mama sang, would you sing it just once before we move along? Won't you sing me back home with a song I used to hear, and make